Guess what we're doing today?
What are we doing today?
You guessed it, another unboxing. But actually, we're gonna make this 2 unboxing. So I have here a Grimmspeed version 2 heat shield and a Cobb heat shield. Both of them for the STI. I actually had bought this one, I don't know, like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, never opened it. And I just got this one in today, so I figured we can do like a compare and contrast. Yes, we're gonna be unboxing, so it's gonna be another unboxing video. But this one might be a little more interesting because you can see the difference between the Cobb and the Grimmspeed, and you're gonna see which one we're actually gonna install on the Hawkeye STI. So I figured this would be something a little different aside from the regular unboxing. So let's get this started. Oh, yes.
Mosquito City.
Yeah. Thanks to who?
Hannah.
Hannah.
Thanks, Hannah.
Hannah or Santa?
Hannah.
Oh man, I think it's just against.
This is first time unboxing.
Man. Wow.
Is there tape somewhere or what?
I don't know. You're gonna post this fail of not being able to open a damn box, huh? Looks like I missed some spots.
Funny.
Here we go.
Okay.
All right. So this is the what I got. All right, this is the
oh yeah,
from Grimmspeed. Got a little nice letter. Looks like Anthony personally packaged this for us.
All right,
interesting. Thank you, Anthony. So this one is the Grimmspeed version 2 heat shield that's ceramic coated. It also, we got the one that comes with a gold film. We'll probably do a video installing this because I've done this before. It's kind of a pain in the rear because there's some creases that you're gonna have to cut, and there's some other parts you're gonna have to kind of make work. So we'll definitely be showing you how to do that. But here's the actual heat shield from Grimmspeed, version 2, ceramic coated in black.
Ooh, I like it.
Pretty.
Hey, it's pretty nice actually.
Yeah, very clean. So this gold film will actually sit right underneath here, and this will get bolted down to your downpipe. These will be the 2 mounting points here and the one down here. This one gets mounted down by the up pipe, and then these 2 get mounted with that bracket that goes on the top of the downpipe. So we will do a video install on that. We will do a video install.
I'm gonna kill a mosquito right now. Jesus.
So of course some more stickers. Maybe we will send a sticker package to somebody. The 3 bolts, some new ones, and that is it. That is our Grimmspeed package. Right. So now we will talk about the pricing and the comparison between the 2, so you can see maybe this will help you make the right choice in making a heat shield purchase. So the reason why we're doing it like this is because where we live, it is extremely hot all the time and extremely humid. So
sweating already.
We're definitely we're sweating in the AC all the time. So so this is the Cobb one, Cobb heat shield. All right. So the unboxing of this one should be nothing fancy, just a
little protector.
Little.
Oh no!
Actually, this one feels a lot heavier, a lot thicker.
So it's gonna retain the heat if it's thicker,
It's gonna hold the heat a little bit longer, yes.
Uh-oh.
So, and of course, just some stickers here.
Oh, my favorite.
Cobb stickers. So we got a collection here. This one looks like, actually, I haven't seen this. This one is hand packed by Veronica.
Nice.
Sweet. Thanks. So, here's the heat shield. So I'll let you, do you want me to peel off the stickers so you can see what
Yeah, let's see how hard it is to peel off that stuff.
Alright, let's see.
Let's fail here. Oh, that's not that bad. Nice. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be harder.
It's actually very satisfying doing this.
Dun, 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 dun. A new Samsung TV.
Here we go.
So
now we can compare the 2.
Oh yeah, I see the Cobb right there. Cool.
So there's actually a big price difference in this. So we got this one for about $75 off the Cobb website. Yeah, of course there's some there. And then we got this one from Fast WRX with the gold film for about $150. So you got a significant price difference, but you can kind of see where this kind of blocks the heat a little bit more. And the gold film, what it's supposed to do is supposed to reflect the heat back going into the turbo, basically going back down. On a lot of the STIs, a lot of the time that low AC line runs
Oh my god.
right here, so it'd be a good idea, especially if in a hot zone, to get the maybe that's the one ceramic coated and that's the one that has the reflective gold film, so that we can, you know, reflect that heat back down, because you definitely don't want that heat going towards your intercooler, which will be pretty much sitting right here if you have a top mount intercooler, and you don't want any more heat transfer going there. So you know, we got both of them. More than likely we're going to be installing this Grimmspeed one because it just looks a lot better built.
Is that Cobb one the newest one? The newer,
this Cobb,
easier install, or the hard one?
This one is the hard install. So another problem that we've come across with this one before on another STI that we've installed is this part of the heat shield gets really close, or like a few millimeters away from the coolant line that runs over the turbo. So you might have to, like, we actually bent it on another one just so that we didn't have to
mess with
it anymore. So but there you go. That's basically the two heat shields. So
I like the Grimmspeed, man, honestly.
The Grimmspeed looks really good, really clean,
and it's easier to install, right?
Yeah. Well, it should be the same with an exception of this gold film. So we'll do another video where we'll actually clean this up and lay it on there and cut it and paste. But you know, so like I said, this one is $150 and this one was $75. So you know, hopefully this helps you make a better decision on what it comes down to when you're buying a heat shield. Like I said, we live in an area where it's really hot, so any little thing makes a difference for us. So we definitely want to get our intake temperatures down and keep the heat where it needs to be. So but that's it for today. So if you want to see more of this, you want to see the install of this, be sure to like and subscribe, and we will definitely be posting more videos. Of course, more unboxing, but install videos are coming soon, I promise. So like and subscribe.